everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete messages on Skout. To get started, let's open Skout app. Make sure your Skout app is installed on your device. This is your home page. Here you can see chat icon. Click on chat icon. Now here you can see the list of chat. Next, click on pencil icon. It will give you the option to delete whole chat. You can see in the right side of the chat. By clicking delete button, you can delete whole chat from Skout. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.